thrust of the cross-examination was to do several things. To establish that the minister was aware of how he ought to comport himself in relation to code of ethics. The thrust of the examination was also, the cross-examination was also directed to establishing that the minister had a reputation for being involved in questionable acts before, notably one that led to his being fired from cabinet. The thrust of the cross-examination was directed to establishing that after he thought about it, he realized that his actions, that of his office, what he was lending his office to, could amount to a visa hustle. He accepted that. He accepted that he had done visa recommendations for Asian nationals on more than one occasion for people he had no knowledge who they were and why they wanted to come to Belize and what they wanted the visas for. So as I've said, the only thing he refused to accept was that he had taken money for this, and obviously he couldn't very well accept that.
What was sought to be done was to put in issue the victims, victim credibility, that's the approach in examination. But let me say this, if I can say anything further, that every one of God's children do have a reputation. The good one, the bad one, the ugly one, the pretty one, they do have a reputation that is capable of being harmed and injured. Yeah? Every one of God's children do have a reputation. Even if you say, no, bad children of God or child of God, they do have a reputation capable of being harmed.